Okay guys, welcome, and today I'm going to show you how to start up a pressure washer the right way, and plus stick around for a bonus tip at the end that not everybody knows about. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to connect our water hose here into our water supply for our pressure washer. And this is the first thing that you want to make sure to do, because if you start the pressure washer without any water going to it, you're going to burn out your pump and you will be a few $100s in debt. And then once you do that, you're going to connect your pressure hose with the male end to the female end. Push this back, push it in, make sure that clicks, otherwise you'll have water going everywhere out of here. Okay guys, commentator Zach here. And so what I'm doing here is I'm putting my wand into the end of the pressure washing hose, or in my case a ball valve. A ball valve is just something that you can use to swap between your surface cleaner and wand easily without having to turn off the machine. And then I'm letting the air out of the hose for about 30 seconds to get all the air out, so you won't have any trouble with that. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you have gasoline in your gas tank, and you want to make sure that this switch right here is flipped to on. And then once you do that, you want to turn on your gasoline right here with this switch, flip it to on. Then you also, this lever here, push it all the way up, and then prime your engine, and you're ready to start it. Okay, commentator Zach here again. So the next thing I do here is I'm going to pull the pull cord to start the engine. It may take you a few tries, but it only took me one. And then right after you do that, you want to turn off your choke so that your pressure washer can run. Okay, so now you're ready to use your pressure washer and clean whatever it is you're cleaning. And now we're going to get into the process to turn off your pressure washer. Okay guys, so now you're done pressure washing and you're ready to turn off your machine. So here's the pro tip that I said in the beginning of the video. Instead of using that switch that I just pointed at to turn it off or choking your engine, you want to cut the gas from the machine using that little black switch right there, and that's going to help burn all the gasoline out of your carburetor. If you don't, then the gas will get clogged up in there and it's not going to be good. I've had that happen before, so go ahead and try it, and it will save you some time and money. Okay, so your machine just turned off. What you're going to do is flip the switch to the off position, and then you're going to release the pressure from your hose, because if you don't, you're not going to be able to take anything off, and if you do, it's just going to be a big explosion of pressure. And then disconnect your wand from your hose, and then disconnect the other end of your hose from the machine and your garden hose as well. If I haven't mentioned what kind of garden hose I use a Flexzilla. I have 100 feet of it. It's a really good hose, really easy to work with. I'll be sure to link that down in the description, as well as the ball valve. Thank you guys so much for watching. Just have a good rest of your day, and if you can, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because that'll let you know the next time I post a video, and just everything that you can do helps. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day.